I guess today we will see practical number 4, wherein we have to develop a simple question answer application using HTTP Servlet. So to see, this is the question number 4 which we will be developing, that is simple Servlet question answer application. We shall be demonstrating the use of Servlet request and response interfaces. So we'll go back to NetBeans, click on new project, web application, that is Java web from categories and projects web application. Next, give any name of the project. If it is already existing, then you'll have to give like online exam or something like that. There is no need to select any frameworks. Click on finish. As soon as the project is created or the application is created, index.html will open. You can give the title like whatever you want, and so I'm keeping it as simple as I can. Okay, I don't want division. I'll make form method is equal to exam. Okay, sorry, form method is equal to post, and action is equal to exam. What we'll do, we'll create a class, the servlet known as exam. So when a submit button is clicked, that exam servlet will be called and process request method will be executed, within which we are going to write the code. So this action is equal to exam tells, then whenever you click the submit button on the HTML form, it will call the servlet known as exam.java. Okay. We'll have 5 questions. I have already some questions related to Servlet, so we'll use the same questions. Okay. So I'll have the first question. I'll put everything into paragraph. And I'll have first question. I'll put the questions in bold. Question from first. Let's copy to the question I have certain questions already. And I'll get certain options either input type is equal to radio, okay, name is equal to, we can say even, value is equal to, we can give the value as, we'll decide the value, and so you need to give, okay, one more thing, you have to give br tag here to end /br. Similarly, I'll give the option over here. There are 4 options, like, okay. Then again I'll give br tag here /br. Don't want to give the okay, so what we'll do is just copy paste this again 4 times, 3 times, 1, 3 and 4, and I'll take the rest of the answers. I'll just copy paste the answers I have. Second option, this is third option, and this fourth option, none of the above. And we can give this value as, for first question, this is the answer. Correct answer is C. So this one is correct. So we will see C. I just will decide for one common notation. I can say A1 into and you can decide, so that is not. I'm just giving the correct option as correct value as matching this value. We'll be giving the same name to all the video patterns. How will be checking for the value selected by the user? It will be like this. Request of get parameter, then put into the bracket of get parameter, give the name of the radio button, that is A1, and then dot equals correct. So like if you have selected the proper radio button, it will be then the option that you answer is right. So this is for the first question we had. Okay, similarly what we'll do, the P tag will be ending at last. Okay. What we are doing is copy paste this complete thing once. We just copy paste this once. We have one more VR tag button. Okay. Then we'll have question number 2, BR. Question number 3, PR. Question number 4, we'll give a one more BR tag. Question number 5. Okay, and I'll do the corrections. I'll just make this corrections. This question number 5. This question number 4. This is 3. And this is second one. Okay, what I need to do is I just have to change the questions and answers now. I'll copy and paste from here. Okay, I'll just take the second question and I'll just take the answers. Okay, it's better I do one by one. Which of the following is the HTTP get method? So I'll just copy it here. Then we have 4 options, out of which answer is again C. So this is the option. Of the first option. And I'll just remove the second option and paste it. I'll paste it. Okay, now I'll just make this question number 2 as A2.1, A2, or I can make this as I can make this A2.2, A2.3 again, and A2. It's better. A2.4 is correct one. So A2.4, I'll just 2.4 correct. So I'll just make it the value as COR so that I understand that it is a correct one, and A2.5. Okay, and I'll give the common name to all of the radio buttons over here. That is A2, 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 and A2. To make it more simple, the A2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Okay. So this is, and see the spelling of that can be avoided, that's fine, but it's better we don't have any spelling mistakes. Okay, now let's go for question number 3. Okay, I'll just remove the options. I don't want these options. So I'll take my response.getCookies, request.getCookies, and so just I'll write it instead of copying it instead. Okay, answers are response.getCookies, request.getCookies, cookies.getCookies, and then none of the above. Okay, this is question number 3 done. Then we have question number 4. Again I'll take the question number 4. Just copy paste it. Getting any random questions just to make it look good. I'm taking some appropriate questions. Then header.getQueryString is there. First option is okay. Then we have response.getQueryString. So just type response. And request. Okay, this is the 4th question, and the correct answer is, we'll see afterwards. First I'll write the questions properly and then we'll see for the correct answers and all that stuff. So for the question here it goes. Okay, I'll just remove the options again. Okay, Then we have response is dot secure. Response is dot secure. We have request is dot safe, and header is dot secure. These are the options, and none of the above. So we have for our correct answer for A24. Then this is, we'll give this name as A3. We'll give this video button known as A4, and last A5. Okay, so now we have, so what we'll do, I'll just make it A3.1, A3.2, A3.3 and 3.4. Then we have a 4.1 value for this, A4.2, A4.3 and A4.4. Similarly, we'll give it for A5.1, A5.2, A5.3 and 5.4. So now we'll check the correct answers. Correct answer is B for fifth question. So I will say COR. For fourth it is C. So I will make fourth question this as COR. Third question answer is B. So I will make this as COR. Okay, so this is our question, this is the interface which will be appearing with set of questions, and you have to select the answer as soon as you. So we'll have two buttons here. BR tag again, we'll take one more. Then we have input type is equal to button is equal to submit. Value is equal to check answers. Whatever else you want to give according to you, you can give. Input type is equal to input type is equal to reset. There is one button known as reset, I think so. Okay, which will just reset the values of the text of the selections. Fine, this much is enough, I think so. Okay, now what we have to do is, we have to, this is our first interface which will be appearing. We'll go back to our project. I'll click, so right click source packages, new. I'll just have to select servlet. Okay, I'll just give this name as exam, because what I have in action I've written as exam, and it's better option to add information to web.xml, that is deployment descriptor. Okay, so this is my exam page that will appear. You can give this test servlet knowledge. Okay, then here what you can do is, like, if directly can start if request dot get parameter a1 dot get parameter a1 dot equals, okay, the first question, okay, so first question the correct answer is C. So what is the, we have the option value as equals correct. Equals correct. Then we can see at last, let's out dot, we just check for one, okay, then we'll go ahead. What we print is then h1 tag, answer is correct. Is correct. Okay, just we'll try this and then we'll see what we can do. Okay, now run. So this is the exam page that is going to appear. Okay, so this is my question number 1. The correct answer is C. Okay, so when I click on check answers, answer is correct, it is executing. So we can similarly write and so. So when instead of this, what we can do is, okay, first we'll write all the and if. Similarly, we have to check for all of the radio potential. So if all the answers are correct, you are passed. So we can like if, so we can have 4. Same thing, I'll just copy paste. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4th one. Okay, so I'll just write, we'll make it simple, we're not going to make it complicated. A2, A3 and A4. Okay, just we have to check that what the correct answers are there. So for question number 2, it is A2.4 core, A2.4 core. Equals A2.4 core. And for third question, it is A3.2 core, A3.2 core, and for last one, for fourth one, it is A4.3 core, A4.3 core. Only 4, there is one more thing. Okay, that is A5 and A5 is 2, that is B. A5 2. So only if all the questions are correct, what we are going to do, dot and whatever we have written out of printer here. I'll just copy paste this. Congratulations, so all the answers are correct. Congratulations. You can type font color is equal to green. Whether it works or not, I don't know. Let's see. So it should be green. Okay. Congratulations. All the answers. So else to that, out of println field, something like that. Okay. So this I'll just if I do it here, look. If this is I'll write else part for this also. Now this is if. Or first F. Okay, and this is even if one answer is wrong, we'll print failed. Second F. This is third F. This is fourth F. Don't get confused. So this is the else part of first, and there is fourth, there is fifth. And this is we are done with all the else part also. Now let us check how it works. Run. Okay. The first answer is C. Okay, you just give correct answer, right? Okay, first answer was C, second answer was also C. Which of the following code is used to get cookies? Request.get cookies, I believe. Which of the following code it tries? I just don't remember. I have to check. Like, which of the following? Then this is request.get queries. Fifth question. Request.is. Check answers. Congratulations, all the answers are correct. Okay, and if I give some of the answers as wrong, let's see what is the output. Field. Okay, and we are not checking for giving the correct answers or right answers. That much is fine. Okay, and so reset will reset all the connections. One extra something that we can check in index. Hope this helps out. It's a very simple way to develop this question and answer application. You can modify it, you can give it more decorative, make it more colorful, you can add the titles you want. Okay, more description you can add into your project. Okay, I have kept as simple as I can. Okay, please do comment if you like and understand this another way. Okay.